Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide using MORPH transition in just 4 minutes. Plus, you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use for your own personal purposes. Plus, the nice thing is that you can also move this template in reverse. So let's start, but first be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide and insert a background image. So this is gonna be a star background image. Let's just crop it that it only covers the entire slide and insert a text box in which we're gonna write our text and what this template is about. Copy and paste it about 3 times and go to transform and give it this circular transform option and give it line spacing of 10. Let's just decrease its size and we're gonna move it right here and let's just increase the circle. So here you go. Next, what we're gonna do is just put it right here and we're gonna go to the insert tab and go to 3D models and insert a model from your device. And then we're gonna increase its size and put it onto just between the text, and let's just decrease its size a bit. Next, what we're gonna do is rotate it so that we can tag one of the country. Next, we're gonna insert our text, which is gonna describe what this template is about. Give some transparency and insert another text box in which you're gonna write your title. Here you go. Next, we're gonna insert another text box in which we're gonna write the continent's name. Now insert a straight line and then white just below, and we're gonna just darken the image background image a bit. Here you go. Next, we're gonna insert a small circle in which we're gonna give it an outline and then we're gonna give it a fill. The outline have to be of yellow color and the fill have to be of orange color. Now we're gonna insert a straight line that connects the circle and another line which connects the first line with the title. We're gonna give it round corners. Next, we're gonna duplicate our slide and move this text out of the slide along with the line and the circle to the left side. Next, we're gonna go to crop option and then we're gonna just move the picture upwards, and for this 3D model and the text, we're gonna move it to the left side. We're gonna rotate the text along with the globe. We're going to copy and paste the text onto the right side and then move the line onto the next country that we're going to use. Connect the line with the text, with the title, and so here it is. Now we're going to customize our text and we're going to move it to the right side. And we're going to also customize the number of the slides, which is 2, and we're going to extend the line. Now let's just duplicate our slide again and move the image downwards from crop option. Next, what we're going to do is move the text box outside and move these shapes to the right side and rotate the text along with the other stuff. And next, what we're going to do is tag our next country and we're going to paste the text on it and we're going to expand the line and select both the templates, give it more transition from the transitions tab. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use. You can also check out my other new videos which also have free templates, and you can also check out my Patreon link from the description. See you again.